Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can find your Binance Litecoin LTC wallet address. So what you need to do is at first you wanna head over to your Binance, and there's two ways. You can either click on deposit and then from there click on LTC, and if it does not show up, this is actually your payment currency. So let's say you want to pay in USD, so you fix that at first and then click on deposit crypto because we want to deposit LTC. From there, unfortunately my account is not verified, so you want to verify your account first, and then under select coin you want to search for Litecoin or just search for LTC and then click on that one. Select the network very carefully. Network is the way that you are going to receive your coin, so make sure this matches with the network from where you're initially sending it, and then on the third option you'll automatically see your deposit address, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.